Now, looking at this YouTube channel right on your screen, you see how much money is earning per month. That is one. You see how many minutes the video is earning. I think you can see it is a 54-minute video. Then you look at the number of subscribers and look at how many times does this guy have to post per week. Now this guy this is a lady actually, is posting 80 videos per week. Then is earning $636 per month. This YouTube channel is earning actually a lot of money. Friends, today I want to show you how to check how much YouTubers do earn. We have a lot of niches. Actually, everybody almost is in his own niche. When I talk of niche, some of those people or some of you guys, you may not understand it. What does a niche mean? A niche, it is a particular part of a YouTube activity that you would like to actually participate in when you are here on YouTube. Now today, I wanted to show you so that you will go and check how much your favorite YouTuber earns here on YouTube. Let me take you there so that we'll see how much actually your favorite YouTuber are earning. Now, from here, now I'm right onto my desktop. You're going to open your Chrome. We are going to open Chrome as a new window. Then from Chrome here, you're going to do something for me. There are two things or two applications that you will download actually and put onto your machine. Now, these applications are one. We have one application called vidIQ. vidIQ. The moment you put or you install this vidIQ, you're going to run it as an extension. No need to pay. You have to run it as an extension. Now, what you're going to do after downloading vidIQ, actually me, I have it as an extension already on my machine. But for you, what you're going to do, you are going to add it as an extension. Now, when you are searching vidIQ here, you put vidIQ extension. You are going to search as a vidIQ extension. Now, this is an extension that I was trying to tell you that is going to help you to find out how much your favorite YouTubers are actually earning. Now let's go back there and see. This is our extension already. Like I told you before, that me, I already have it. Now you're going to look at this one. This is called install Chrome extension. Now, the moment you hit this one, it is going to take you to an extension. Let me hit it. Now, after hitting it, it is going to tell you that you want it as an extension or not. Now, look here. Here, I already have it on my machine. That's why the statement here is saying remove from Chrome. If I didn't have it on my machine, it would tell me add to Chrome. Now, apparently, it is telling you remove from Chrome, meaning I already have it there. So that's why I'm not going to install it at this moment. So for your case, you will hit here and then you'll manage it from here. Look in the corner. You'll manage it from here. I think you can see where I'm touching. Now, the moment you go here, I think you can see how many extensions do I have. And then here I have the vidIQ extension, which is here. I think you can see it is vidIQ Vision for YouTube. Now, the moment you put it there, you just leave it there, no need to pay. Then you will get another extension called NexLev extension. NexLev extension. These are two extensions actually that I want you to download for me. With these two extensions, you will be able to see how much your favorite YouTubers are earning automatically. Let's go back. Now here, this is the NexLev. This is, look at this option. I think you can see here. This is NexLev Chrome extension. Now, you're going to hit it. After hitting it, for it actually, it is going to request you to sign in. You accept it all. Then it is going to tell you, sign in. Then you install it as an extension. It is actually free, but sometimes it asks money. Now, the moment you sign here, the moment you sign in here, it is going to bring an extension interface. Then you will install it on your machine. Then also you will have to manage it from here. I think you can see. Then from there, when you hit it here, I think I already have it. Yes, I have it here. I think you can see it. I have it. It is the NexLev extension here. Now, the moment you install these two extensions, don't worry. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to go to YouTube using Chrome. For us, we have installed it on a Chrome extension. Now we are going to use Chrome to find out. Let's go there. Now, let's open our YouTube. This is actually our YouTube. This is our YouTube, and these are our channels that we want to check how much are earning. We have already installed our two extensions, that is vidIQ and NexLev extension. Now, let's first go and we look at any type of YouTube and we see how much it is actually earning. Look here. I'm going to choose, let me choose this one. The moment you hit this YouTube channel, now I have clicked the YouTube channel. Now you see, I want you to look so much close. It has brought this information. This YouTube channel, the name is called TCC TV, and I think you can see it has got these views, it has these subscribers, and it is earning how much. I think you can see right there. Then this average links of the video that is posting, and how many times does he post per week, meaning that he uploads 2 videos per week. Then each video have 178 minutes. That means it is 2 hours long. Now we wanted to see this, how much he earns per month or per earning. This is $7. Now what you're going to do, you're going to change this $7 into your currency, and then you find out how much actually this person is earning. Now when we go back, let me take you back. so that they may see another YouTube channel. Let me check which other YouTube channel you would like to see. I want the most popular one so that you can see how much these guys are earning. Yes. Let me check mine. No, I'm not going to check mine. Why? I don't want you guys to see how much I'm actually earning. Let me look up for some popular YouTube channels. Where are they? Let me first refresh it. Okay, let me take this one. This is just gospel media. We have here Capital Music. This is just gospel media. For just gospel media, here, this guy's channel is not monetized. I think you can see the red color here, meaning that this guy is not earning money here online, and that's why it is not bringing all this information that we wanted there. I think you can see right there. Now, in this case, we are going to leave this one. Then we go to who else should we go to? I think let me check another popular YouTube channel. Let me first refresh and we see. Yes. Let me check this guy because I know this guy. How much is actually earning? This guy has not monetized this channel actually. I think you can see the red color, not monetized. Then he has all this information that you are seeing right on your screen. If now he monetizes his channel, he will be able to earn $70 per month. $70 per month. Now let me go back. I see he has 2 channels. Let's check another channel and find out how much actually another channel is earning. For another channel, this guy is monetized. I think you can see here, monetized. And this NexLev is actually the one checking all this. And how much is earning per month? We are going to see it. Is earning $517 per month. So what you're going to do, you're going to get $517, then you multiply it by your currency. For my case, like in UAE, it is $3.6. Meaning this guy is getting around 1,500 dirhams in UAE money. So that's how you check each YouTube channel and how much your favorite YouTubers are actually earning. If you want to see if the channel is monetized, you can easily see it from here. Now let's go back. You can choose any YouTube channel and then you see how much actually that person is earning. What else would you want me to do for you? Tell me in the comment section so that I will come and show you how things are done. Now let me first check this one, Hadija Chigozi, and we'll find out how much is actually earning. This is HK, Hadija Chigozi, it's a Ugandan YouTuber, and his channel is monetized. All right. Then how much is actually earning per month is earning $636 per month. He's posting video length, which is 54 minutes, and he has more than 100 subscribers. Then per week, he has to upload 6 videos. Now, if you want to know how much other YouTubers are earning, and you want to develop a strategy of how to do it like them, this is one of the ways that you can easily do it. Now, looking at this YouTube channel right on your screen, you see how much money is earning per month. That is one. Then secondly, you see how many minutes the video is earning. I think you can see it is a 54-minute video. Then you look at the number of subscribers and look at how many times does this guy have to post per week. Now this guy this is a lady actually, is posting 80 videos per week. Then is earning $636 per month. This YouTube channel is earning actually a lot of money, believe me or not. Okay, $636. Let's check how much. Let me go here. No. Let me type it here. Dollar to dirham. Dollar to dirham exchange. From this dollar to this dirham. Yes. Now here, this is 636. Now, from 636 that we are seeing here, 636, then it is going to be equal to this amount. This is 2,335 dirhams per month. Meaning in my country as a Ugandan, this is around 2 million per month that this lady is earning on his YouTube channel. Now, when we remove the estimate amount, it would be around 1,500 dirhams. This is around 1,500,000 shillings in Ugandan money. Now, according to what I have shown you, I believe you are contented. Now you know how to check your fellow YouTubers' amount, how much they are earning. Remember, you cannot check anybody's amount when you don't have a laptop. For phones, it is a little bit harder because some applications, they just run on laptops or desktops. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will come you to another video. Make sure you like this video, comment, so that we may know what else you would like.